Kevin is looking for a fresh start in life, but a past mistake is keeping him from moving forward. He has a drinking and driving conviction on his record from when he was younger. Even though it was years ago and he's paid his fines and is allowed to drive again, it's still haunting him.
Since I've been out here in Calgary, every job I've been applying for, they want you to do a criminal check, and I've been turned down for some decent jobs because of it.
Kevin didn't realize he could get a pardon until a friend told him. He just filed his papers at the end of February at the new National Pardon Centre in Calgary. The nonprofit organization has 2 locations in Canada which help Canadians apply for a pardon once they've served their sentence and have gone through a 3 to 5 year probationary period without any problems. They also help them obtain waivers to travel to the United States if they've been turned away at the border.
The pardon itself is, it seals your criminal history, meaning that it won't show up in background checks for employment. You know, if the police pull you over for a speeding ticket or something like that, they won't be able to see that you've ever had a conviction associated with your name.
First and foremost, we need to get some information, some background history in regards to the charge. Okay, and what year was that?
Yes.
Okay, and where did you go to court?
It costs about $450 to apply. The centre will do the necessary fingerprinting and paperwork and receive the pardon through the parole board.
As long as they didn't get a life sentence, they can eventually apply for a pardon. Yeah. There are safeguards put in place for sexual offenders and that sort of thing. Their name, while their record won't show up on a normal background check, if they're applying to work within the vulnerable sector with the elderly or with children or the mentally ill, their name stays flagged in a special database that prevents them from doing that. So there are safeguards built into the system.
For Kevin, this time next year his record should be clear, and he's hoping for a brighter future.
It will be amazing. Yeah, I definitely hope that it'll help.
In downtown Calgary for Shaw TV, I'm Laura Harrell.